Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how to pause your ads, your ad groups, your campaigns or keywords in Google Ads account. So it is very simple. You just need to log in your Google Ads account and then click on ads, and here you can find this option: enable, pause and remove. If it is green in color, that means it's enabled. If it is pause, that means it's the color will be gray, and if it is red, that means it's removed. So you can choose pause and you can pause your ads. So similarly you can do it in ad groups. Similar place you can find these options. Similarly you can do it for campaigns. Same place you can find these options, and similarly you can do for keywords you will find in audience, keywords and content section. So here you can do the similar. If you want to do it in bulk, you can select and pause. So this is the another method you can do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box, and you can visit my website tech